Have you ever scrolled through TikTok and thought, wow, how are these people making money? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share some expert tips on how to earn on TikTok. And trust me, it's easier than you might think. Welcome to Monetization, where we turn your passions into profits. First off, let's talk about the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a fantastic way to earn money for the content you're already creating. Once you hit 10,000 followers and accumulate 100,000 views in the last 30 days, you can apply to join the Creator Fund. It's simple. The more engaging your content, the more views you get, and the more you earn. Just remember, quality over quantity. Focus on creating videos that resonate with your audience. Now, let's move on to brand partnerships. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products. If you have a niche, whether it's beauty, fitness, or even cooking, reach out to brands that align with your content. Create a media kit showcasing your follower count, engagement rates, and previous collaborations. This will make you stand out. Don't be afraid to pitch your ideas. Remember, you're not just a creator, you're a business. Next, let's dive into affiliate marketing. This is where you can earn a commission by promoting products. Sign up for affiliate programs related to your niche and share your unique link in your bio or video descriptions. When your followers purchase through your link, you earn money. Make sure to disclose your affiliate relationships to stay transparent with your audience. Authenticity goes a long way on TikTok. Another great way to earn is through selling your own products or services. If you have a talent or a product, showcase it on TikTok. Whether it's handmade jewelry, digital downloads, or online courses, use your platform to promote what you love. Create engaging content that highlights your product's benefits. Show your audience how it can improve their lives. The more relatable and genuine you are, the more likely they are to buy from you. Let's not forget about TikTok Live. Once you reach 1,000 followers, you can go live and interact with your audience in real time. Viewers can send you virtual gifts that can be converted into real money. Going live is a great way to build a deeper connection with your followers. They get to see the real you, and you can share your expertise, answer questions, and even showcase your products. Lastly, consider creating a Patreon or a subscription service. If your followers love your content, they might be willing to support you financially for exclusive content or perks. This could be behind-the-scenes footage, personalized shout-outs, or even one-on-one coaching. So, there you have it. From the Creator Fund to brand partnerships, affiliate marketing to selling your own products, there are so many ways to earn on TikTok. Remember, consistency is key. Keep experimenting with your content, engage with your audience, and always be authentic. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on Monetization for more tips on turning your passions into profits. Let's make your TikTok journey not just fun, but profitable too.